Go, Eric.
Go, Eric.
Go out.
Hey guys, will y'all pull that back like a foot or so?
Go ahead, bud.
Can't go forward. He goes out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Peter Acuna, Jared Cole, Taylor Valdez, Richard Mays, Eric Acuna, report to the pit.
Let's shoot 34.
You're all good, bud.
Shoot. Hey, stop it. Shoot, go take it.
Yeah. There's your two, bud. Hey, you guys stand up. Let's go.
And you two shoot.
You got two, Nigel.
Don't let him shoot. You shoot.
He wants to wrestle, bud.
Good. Get control. Get control. Get control.
Come on, come on.
Hold it. Pass that leg. Pass that leg.
You gotta get your knee back through, Nigel.
Pass that
You gotta
leg.
come up. Let's go. Come on, get your leg through. Get your leg.
Pass that
Get
knee.
your leg through.
Boy.
Wrestle all the way up.
Swim. Get the back. Get the back. Keep your underhook. Get the back.
It's tied up, buddy.
Get tight, Eric.
Stay on top, Nigel.
top, you
Start
boy.
to turn back into it. Hug the waist. Push your arm. Stay up, stay up.
Stop. Stop.
Come on. Stay up.
Good.
Head out the back door. Keep your elbow in tight. Connect your hands.
Snap. Go. You have it.
Come on. Don't let him go to the mat.
You're hooking. You're hooking.
Don't let him go to the
Eric,
mat.
keep on loosing. Get points. Eric, ball loosing. Get points.
There's no points, Nigel. Yes, let's go.
Pass them out off that. That works.
Follow him, follow him.
Hold it.
Yes,
Take it back.
good turtle. No hooks, no hooks. Work to come back in. Connect to his leg.
Double under. You're hooking.
Keep your arms in. Don't let him go belly down. Connect your hands. Now pressure him right here. Pressure him right here. Pressure him.
Take the arm, Eric.
Back up. Back up.
Eric,
Turtle.
stretch it.
Stay up. Yes. Keep that arm safe. No points. You're good. Come on, come on.
Eric, pass that knee and hold it.
Wrestle up.
You're tied right now. Yeah.
Nigel, come on, come on.
Circle, get the back. Get the like a joke. Right there. You're hooked
Watch
in.
your hooks.
Yeah, plug it up. Plug it up. Crank.
Good job, Eric.
His dad is going to compete somewhere. He's going to compete in that one, I think. Number 7.